Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you send emails daily for work, teaching, business or content, using Claude with Gmail in 2026 can turn your inbox into a smart AI powered communication assistant. Write emails faster, summarize long email threads, generate professional replies, automate email workflows, improve tone and clarity. Okay, so in this guide I will show you step by step how to use Claude with Gmail in 2026 cleanly, correctly, and like a pro. So basically we have almost three methods to do that, but we will stick to one. Okay, so method number one, we have manual copy plus AI assistant, which is the most common. We have use Claude to generate emails from scratch, and we have automation tools. Okay, this is the most powerful. So let's stick to one of them. Okay, so let's choose the third one, which is the most powerful. So automation platforms include Zapier, Make, workflow automation tools. So connect Gmail to automation platform. Inside your automation tool, connect Google account. So grant Gmail permissions, choose email triggers. Common triggers include new email received new labeled email, start email, or specific sender or subject. So triggers decide when Claude activates. Okay, so then connect Claude API. So you will need Claude API key. Add Claude as automation action, authorize connection, Claude processes email content. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.